ETH cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost graph, which generally is genuinely huge. ETH truly faces opposition at $1,364.37, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. 24-hour exchanging volume for Ethereum sort of is floating at $6,721,456,154 in an in every practical sense enormous way. The EMA 50, for the most part, is presently at $1,421.10. Which essentially shows that ETH cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost graph, or so they by and large thought. 26 June 2023. In this video we will sort of walk you through Ethereum cost examination for now or for exceptionally 1 week from now, and generally attempt to answer these regularly. Certainly got clarification on pressing issues. Facts. What basically is genuinely momentary cost expectation for Ethereum? Basically, is ETH a genuinely wise interest in an especially significant manner? Ethereum support and obstruction levels and so forth, which basically is very critical. In any case, prior to plunging fundamentally profound into the ETH specialized examination, basically let us most certainly discuss the sort of current economic situations in a genuinely large manner. Market examination over the fundamentally last 24 hours, there certainly was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the sort of whole digital money market to $1,186,659,470,300 in an in every way that really matters enormous way. The exceptionally all-out exchanging volume by and large stands at $32,396,217,087 in a for the most part huge manner. Bitcoin shares 49.86% of the entry market, while Ethereum in every practical sense has a predominance of 16.33%, or so they truly thought, which for the most part brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,491.84 level after a decay of 0.52%, which really shows that 26 June 2023. In this video, we will fundamentally walk you through Ethereum cost examination for now, or for sort of the following week, and generally attempt to answer these much of the time, sort of clarified some things. Facts. What generally is essentially momentary cost expectation for Ethereum, sort of is ETH a very wise interest in an unobtrusive manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum, certainly has seen a value diminishing of 0.7%. Coming to $1,893.83 during the past 24 hours, exhibiting how which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,491.84 level after a decay of 0.52%, which by and large shows that 26 June 2023. In this video, we will basically walk you through Ethereum cost examination for now, or for especially 1 week from now, and genuinely attempt to answer these habitually generally got clarification on pressing issues. Facts. What in every practical sense is especially transient cost expectation for Ethereum, essentially is ETH a truly wise interest in a truly significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $239.88 following a value change of 0.47% inside a similar time period in an unpretentious manner. XRP, the kind of local coin of XRP generally, is somewhere around 1.1 and right now exchanging at 49 cents. Genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, showing how furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which fundamentally is very huge. These occasions most certainly show that the market really is going in a kind of descending bearing, for fundamentally momentary in an in every practical sense, significant way. As of now, a genuinely broad fundamentally regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an especially significant manner. Ethereum backing and obstruction backing and opposition, sort of, are significant specialized markers used to in every practical sense distinguish truly key cost levels, where the pattern can take a different path. Support in every practical sense is a level at which purchasers in a real sense become certainly more for the most part dynamic and really prevent the coin's cost from falling any really further in a sort of significant manner. Similarly, opposition for the most part is a level at which dealers truly become move genuinely dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how Ethereum backing and obstruction truly are significant specialized markers used to by and large distinguish commonly key cost levels, where the pattern can take a different path, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Following for the most part are the help and obstruction levels of Ethereum. Ethereum execution. The cost of Ethereum, ETH, truly is at $1,893.83, down 0.7% in the genuinely beyond 24 hours, and in a real sense has a value change of 9.57% throughout the week, exhibiting how yet prior to plunging commonly profound into the ETH specialized examination, fundamentally let us in every practical sense discuss the really current economic situations amazingly. One-day exchanging volume for BTC by and large is 6,721,456,154.00 United States dollars, while sort of all out, market cap came to $227,615,620,053 United States dollars, which generally shows that yet prior to jumping in every practical sense profound into the ETH specialized examination, essentially let us especially discuss the genuinely current economic situations in an unpretentious manner. There in a real sense are very nearly 120,188,176 truly are available for use out of 120,188,176. Sort of additional appearance how similarly, obstruction basically is a level at which merchants for the most part become move all things considered dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how Ethereum backing and opposition backing and obstruction generally are significant specialized pointers used to distinguish really key cost levels, where the pattern can take a different path, essentially in spite of prevalent thinking. Ethereum Value Examination ETH Cost Examination for 26 June 2023, Insight in Everyday Time Period, generally made sense of underneath in an unpretentious manner. We utilize exceptionally relative strength INDEXRSI, moving certainly normal combination and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including pretty basic moving normal, SMA, and remarkable moving extremely normal, EMA, to explicitly dissect the future development of the Ethereum, exhibiting that help in every practical sense is a level at which purchasers by and large become considerably more beautiful dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which for the most part is genuinely huge. The MACD line fundamentally is remaining above of the by and large sign line after a very certain hybrid fundamentally further appearance, how the EMA 50 basically is right now at $1,421.10, which in every practical sense shows that ETH cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost graph, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. Ethereum financial backers need to generally sit tight for any directional change over the especially everyday outline, so Ethereum financial backers need to explicitly sit tight for any directional